So now we have moved on to part number 0408, and this is going to be a pattern along a nonlinear path. Linear being straight. This path is not straight. So we're going to actually go in here, and we're going to select our rectangular pattern tool, and we're going to be patterning features. But this time, and we could do this, oops, instead of selecting the features out here, which we could do, you can also do that by clicking on the features on the model tree. So I'm going to click on extrusion 2. I'm going to hold the control button down and click on hole 2. Excuse me. Now, let's see. For the direction, we're going to click on direction. We're going to select that path, and you can see that it preview here shows me the path hole going along the path. We're going to set this up with 40 holes. Let's see what this looks like. Well, it's not quite where we want it to be yet. We're going to change our distance to 1.25 inches. We're a little closer. And right down here it says spacing. But we need to go to the drop-down list, and we're going to make this say curve length instead of spacing. Don't hit OK yet. The next thing is that we're going to see that there's a couple holes, well, 6 of them actually, they're kind of in a weird spot here. They're not, if I looked at this from front, you can see there's actually, yeah, they're just not following the path completely yet. So we'll go back to isometric. So I'm going to select the More button. And for direction 1, I'm going to click Start. And it's asking me to select the start point. You can see right now that this little green dot, that's the start point. And it's starting off the edge of the part. So what I want to do is I want to click the center of this boss. And there's a little dot there that you can just barely see. And I think I want to leave it at identical. Let's take a look and see. Well, it doesn't look too bad. All right. And now we're going to go to our curve length again. And instead of saying curve length, I'm going to change that to the word distance. And I'm going to change that distance, which appears right here. And I'm going to subtract 1 inch from this. So I've got 56.425 inches. I'm going to put in a minus sign, minus 1. And it looks pretty good now. And I'll hit OK. And then you can go and turn off the sketch that creates that path by right-clicking on it and turning off its visibility. So that is using a pattern on a nonlinear path.